All right, everybody. So welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. I'm Jacob Letman, and we all know there's just a lot going on in the world right now, and it's affecting a lot of people, and a lot of that has negative connotation around it. But I want to break it up a little bit. I want to talk to, well, actually, this is a really important video, kind of beating around the bush here, but there are a lot of people that are out of work right now that have stable jobs or, had some sort of stable employment and they got laid off temporarily, or they're out of work temporarily, they're not getting paid, they're not able to get benefits. So if you fall into that category, or whatever the reason may be, and you need to make some extra money right now in order to pay your bills, then the gig economy, rideshare driving is a great option in order to be able to make some money quickly. All you need to have is a vehicle, and so I'm going to give you some reasons why now is a great time to start driving for rideshare. So if you're thinking about it, this video is for you on why I think this is a great opportunity to get on it. So, and I would say do it now as opposed to waiting even a day. I would do it 10 minutes ago, because as this situation progresses, we don't know how things are going to be restricted as far as like Uber and Lyft. We already know that their hubs are shut down for the time being, and as of now, they're still taking on new drivers, but I don't know, at any point that could be restricted, and they could pause that temporarily. So I would imagine they don't want to do that, because that's more income that they're losing than they already are. So anyway, enough about that. If you're on the fence about signing up for Uber and Lyft, I would say do it. You might as well sign up, start the sign up process, get through it, get activated. That way at least you're taken care of, and if you do decide to start driving, then you're good to go. So first things first, download the Uber and Lyft driver apps. All right, so not the passenger apps. You need the Uber driver app and the Lyft driver app, and then once you download those, you'll be able to register. And when you register, it's going to ask you for a referral code. So I've got a couple of those for you. For Uber, the referral code is JACOBL7756UI. For Lyft, it's going to be JACOBM, as in Martin, that's my middle name, Letman, LETMAN 111. So if you use those to sign up for either Uber or Lyft, you're going to get what's called a sign-up guarantee. And that guarantee is, depending on what area you're driving in, you will get a guarantee of making so much money initially for signing up, as long as you give the required amount of rides in the required time frame. So it varies all over the place, so it's hard for me to say. But for example, if you give 100 rides in your first 30 days, you will get a guarantee of so much, and it's up to $1,000. And so that means no matter what you make on your rides, let's say you make $600 in your first 100 rides, and your guarantee was $1,000, you will get $1,000 instead of $600. Okay, cool. So that alone is a good reason to sign up right now. Now let's talk about some other reasons why this is a great opportunity, great time to sign up and start driving. So yes, ride demand is down, but also there are a lot of drivers that aren't driving right now. So there's not as many drivers out on the road right now, which is a great reason to start driving. Also, there's just not as many people on the road, so traffic is way down. So if one of the hesitations for you to start driving is because you're not certain, or you're a little intimidated, I guess, by the process overall, well, first of all, watch some of our other videos so you can get more comfortable. But this is a great chance, because traffic's going to be way down, foot traffic as well as car traffic, so it'll be a lot easier logistically for the whole process of getting somewhere, picking someone up. It's just like a great way to ease your way into it while there's less traffic outside. Okay, what else do we got? Oh, this is, well, it's an easy part-time gig in order to make some money to help pay those bills like I talked about before. Really, it's not a hard job. It's just the hardest part, I think, right now is just going through the sign-up process. So on that note, right, you put in your referral code, the things that you're going to need your driver's license, you're going to need your insurance information, your car registration. You can submit all of that stuff through the app online. Should be able to get all of that approved pretty easily. And then the one thing that you'll need to do is to go and get your car inspected. So as I mentioned before, Lyft, Uber, their hubs are closed, but Uber is closed until April 6th. I'm not sure about Lyft, and that's as of now. But there are third-party places that do inspections. Like around me in the Phoenix area, there are Pep Boys locations that you can go to, and they will do vehicle inspections. So once you get your vehicle inspected, you get all of that taken care of. It should only take a few days, maybe a week. Actually, that's another reason why now is a good time. There will be less traffic of people. How do I put this? Less traffic to Uber in general of that kind of stuff going on. So your stuff should process pretty quickly, so you can get verified to drive and activated to drive. Okay, so what else do I... if you're in a city that does like Uber Pool or, like car share, right? Uber Pool, they have canceled that so that, so there's not too many people in a confined space. They've canceled that, which is great because that's kind of an annoying thing, especially when you're first starting out to drive. That's where you pick up some person, you're on your way, and someone else can jump on that ride. It's cheaper for the passengers. It's kind of a pain in the butt for most drivers that I talk to. I wasn't a big fan of it. Anyway, that's canceled for the time being, so you don't have to worry about that. So it's just one passenger going to one place. That's all you have to worry about. Okay. Yeah, and then finally, even though, like I said, even though there's a lot of people that are staying in right now, and even the cities that have like a lot of restrictions on when and where you can go, there are still people that need to go to the grocery store, still need to go to hospitals, still need to go to airports, etc. So people are still out there taking rides. So it's not like, there's no rides available at all. People still need things, and they still will. So this is still an essential part of society as of now. But again, I wouldn't wait on it. I would just jump right on it. If you're thinking about it, if you need some extra money to help pay the bills, trust me, rideshare driving is a great way to do it in a pinch. You can make some extra money. So get on it. All right, that's what I got for you guys today. If you're a potentially new driver, you have any other questions, jump down in the comment section below. We'll be happy to help you out. I'm Jacob Letman. This is the Rideshare Hub. Until next time, stay safe out there, everyone.